guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, this is my product for today na binili, okay? Through Shopee, okay? So, let's unbox. So, bumili ako nito guys kasi napansin ko ang mga gamit ko guys, like for example, charger, phone, and headset, everything is iba-iba ang lalagyan. So, merong time na ang hirap maghanap, okay? So, I decided to buy this one. It's so very convenient kasi all-in-one na ito siya, guys. So, meron siya dalawang zipper. As you can see, 2 zipper. Let's open, guys, the first compartment of this bag or this organizer. Okay, as you can see, marami siyang malalagyan. Charger, mga cord, okay? Syempre, mga headset, if you like it here. And of course, dito rin. Okay? So, i-open natin yung pangalawang compartment, I mean. So, ito yung pangalawang compartment, okay? So, pwede mong lagyan dito ng cellphone mo. Ayan. Ayan, as you can see, ito, oh, sana siya, guys, oh. Pack. O, diba? So, napakaganda niya. Okay? So far, guys, walang damage. Again, oh, tingnan nyo. Walang damage, guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, meron na akong malalagyan ng aking iba't ibang charger at cellphone. Ayan. Then, ito pa. Pero siyang ganyan. Okay? So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye!